Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a really interesting product from the folks at MOFT. This is their Snap Stand Power Set. So what we have here is a modular system where you have a MagSafe wallet and a MagSafe power bank. Your MagSafe wallet is going to attach onto the back of the MagSafe power bank. You have a 3-card capacity and decent magnets on this one. You have better magnets on your MagSafe power bank, which is super slim. And of course, obviously your MagSafe power bank is going to attach onto the back of a MagSafe case. In this particular situation, I have a MOFT case on here, but this is going to attach onto any decent MagSafe case or onto the back of your naked iPhone. So overall, really cool system here. And of course, you can add a stand functionality if you put your MagSafe wallet on the back. Overall, quite nicely designed. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the contents of the box, you've got your MagSafe wallet. This has a vegan leather exterior, soft touch finish. Everything feels quite nice. This has the stand function that I was showing you before. And then it also has a 3-card capacity. Overall, quite a nice little wallet. And then you have a nice braided charging cable. This is USB-C to USB-C, but it's a little bit special because one end of the USB-C is going to be breakaway magnetic. So that is extremely useful. This does not come with a wall adapter, but I've been using this Anker Nano Pro, which is going to give you 20-watt charging. Works really well with this. And then finally, you have your MagSafe power banks. So this is super slimline. It's covered with the same vegan leather that you have on the MagSafe wallet. You've got USB-C in and out here on the one side, and then on the other side, you have your on and off switch. As far as capacity, this is on the low side. This is only going to be 3,400 milliamp hours, so that's less than the 5,000 milliamp hours that you usually have. So, for example, this Anker power bank here is 5,000 milliamp hours, and this one's going to be 3,400. The Anker is going to give about a 79% charge to a 14 Pro. This one's going to give a little bit over a 50% charge to a 14 Pro. So you do have less capacity, but it's also smaller, and it just depends upon what you really need your power bank to do. But overall, just a really nice little product. It's going to charge at 7.5 watt charging speed. So it's going to attach magnetically, so you can call it MagSafe, but it's not going to give you 15 watt MagSafe charging speed. So do keep that in mind. Overall, just a really nice product set here from MOFT. Putting this to charge is extremely easy. It takes a couple hours to charge the power bank fully. And then, as I mentioned in the beginning, one end of this charging cable has a breakaway magnetic tip. Super convenient. Also a cool light here when it's charging. So when you plug this one in, you have the option to simply leave the tip here already attached and then just detach it magnetically. You can also take the whole thing out too, that's fine. But if you just want an extra level of convenience, then you can just use the magnets. So overall, really a nice design here from the folks at MOFT. So as far as magnetic wireless charging is concerned, you can either put this onto the back of a MagSafe case or onto the back of a naked iPhone. So if you put it onto the back of your naked iPhone, and of course it has to be one with MagSafe capability, so iPhone 12, 13, or 14, it's going to work fine, but I don't think that the magnetic adhesion is going to be quite as good as it's going to be if you put it on something using a nice strong MagSafe case. So, I mean, it attaches okay, but could be better. One case that's going to give you very strong magnets is going to be this one from MOFT. So this is their snap case. Works really well. So this is a polycarbonate and TPU case. Got some polycarbonate here on the back and then TPU sides. This is MagSafe, 5 feet drop protective. Very slim and lightweight, and with very impressive magnets. So if you put this on your phone and then attach this on here, you'll see that you have quite a bit stronger connection. It's actually kind of hard to take it off. Really, really tight. And then obviously this is going to work great here with your MagSafe wallet as well. Really nice combo. You can also just put the wallet on there too. That works great. The wallet can also be on its side. You can also put this in a floating position. Go with that kind of orientation, either just with the wallet or also with the power bank attached. So, got a lot of different options here. Checking this out with some cards. You can fit 3 cards in here. It's a little bit on the tight side, but not too bad. You don't have any kind of a thumb slot or anything like that to press them out with. You just have to go from the top, but works well. Overall, no complaints there. And then attaching this onto your phone case. You can see you got a nice slim profile. Of course, you're not limited to only using this with MOFT cases. You can use it with other MagSafe cases, such as Apple's cases. Works really well there. I think it's a really attractive combo. And then, of course, it's also possible to use it with other brands as well. Being a big fan of RHINOSHIELD's redesigned MagSafe SolidSuit cases with their excellent MagSafe magnets, I was thrilled that the violet version of the SolidSuit looks so great and works so well with the MOFT. So you got a great color combo here, and this also has an excellent magnetic connection, super tight, everything works really well. So that's great, but keep in mind that it's only going to work very well in portrait mode. So if you want to put it in that landscape mode, you are going to run into a problem with the large camera rim that you have with this case. So this is not going to be a problem that's confined to the 14 Pro SolidSuit. Any case for the 14 Pro, which has a big, wide camera rim, is probably going to run into the same problem, which is if you try to attach this magnetically on the 14 Pro, you can see that it's going to attach sort of sitting up on top of the camera rim. So that's unfortunate. This is not the case with Apple's case, and it's not the case obviously if you're using this on a naked iPhone, but it is a problem with some cases. So do keep that in mind. But as long as you have it here in portrait mode, you are good to go. One final thing to mention about this, which I think is excellent, is that the positioning of your USB-C port on the side means that you can use this in stand mode with pass-through charging, and that's just a really super convenient thing. So if you put on your wallet here, and put this whole thing in stand mode, you see you have easy access here to your USB-C port. So you can attach your cool little USB-C cable here, and then you can go into charging mode. Many competitor products don't have this feature. So for example, this lovely one here from Anker, 5000 milliamp hours MagSafe power bank, love this one. Comes with a little stand, but its USB-C port is on the bottom. So when you have it in stand mode, if you want to be doing pass-through charging, you have to put it on its side, which is kind of kludgy. It doesn't work all that well. Your MOFT system does not have this problem. So all in all, I think we got a really good product here with the MOFT Snap Stand Power Set. I'm loving the modular functionality here, the fact that you can remove this wallet stand very easily when you don't need it and then put it back on when you do. You've got a nice slim form factor here. The vegan leather has a pleasant feel in the hand, and you've got well-positioned USB-C and power buttons. So all of that is great. So downsides would be the fact that I wish you had a bit stronger connection here magnetically between the wallet and the power bank. It's a little bit on the weak side. Still works okay, but it could be better. And then the only other thing you might want to be careful about is the magnetic breakaway tip on the USB-C cable. So it's really cool. However, if you have a household with small children or pets, you want to be careful about this because if this gets swallowed, it would be bad. Other than that, great product here from MOFT. Again, we've been looking at the MOFT Snap Stand Power Set and the MOFT Snap Case for the iPhone 14 Pro. These products are available directly from MOFT, and they're priced at $39.99 for the Snap Case, currently on sale for $29.99, and available in clear, cool white, and smoky black options, and $79.99 for the Snap Stand Power Set, which comes in purple, jet black, sienna brown, and navy blue. Many thanks to the kind folks at MOFT for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.